Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add film rolling transition in between your clips on CapCut Mobile. So first, just prepare your edits and then click on the transition menu. So in between the clips, click on this white box. This is for transition. Here, find the light effect category and then just find the film rolling transition. Okay, this one. Click on the transition and adjust the duration. I'm going to go with 1 second. Click on the check icon, and after that the transition will be added, and here is the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.